Kino Pro Video Camera just took home the App of the Year award from Apple, so to celebrate a video app taking home top spot, here are 7 essential tips and tricks to get the most out of this incredible app. If you want to make lightning-fast exposure offset adjustments, just swipe down on the main interface to reveal the exposure offset slider. Now you can swipe left or right anywhere on the screen to change your exposure. And if you want to reset your exposure offset without fiddling with the slider, just long press on exposure to reset it to 0. If you want to ensure your shot is level, tap on the quick bar button and turn on the grid. The level meter is stylishly integrated into the rule of thirds guide. When it turns yellow, you know your shot is level. And a really neat feature is if you're getting a top-down shot with your iPhone, the level updates accordingly, complete with haptic feedback. If you want to prevent yourself from accidentally terminating a recording mid-shot, just tap, hold and drag the record button to lock it. Now instead of a tap to end a recording, you have to swipe it back to the center. Kino has full support for importing your own LUTs into the app. However, by default, they're put at the very end of Kino's built-in grades. If you prefer your own LUTs and want them first in line, just tap the quick bar button and open Settings, Grade, then tap Edit. You can scroll down to your custom LUTs and drag them to the very top. Just tap Done, exit Settings, and now when you hit the Grades button, your LUTs are first in line and ready to go without the need for scrolling. And speaking of LUTs, did you know you can use Kino to apply LUTs to videos that were not captured in the app? Perfect if you have Apple log footage taken in the native camera app. Just ensure your device is in portrait orientation, then tap the last capture button. Tap Libraries at the top, then choose Photo Library. Find the clip you want to apply a LUT to and tap to open it. Then from the Grades menu, choose your favorite LUT. I'll apply my Gloat LUT, then tap Apply. Once the export is done, you can save it to the Photos app by tapping Save Video. And lastly, the best feature by far in Kino is Automotion, which makes it easier than ever before to capture video with cinematic motion blur by biasing your exposure automatically to 180-degree shutter rule where possible. To enable this feature, open Settings, Video Recording, and turn it on here. When 180-degree shutter is achieved in Kino, the auto exposure button will turn green. But you might need an ND filter for it to work in bright conditions. Just attach your neutral density filter, and mine is variable, so I'll turn it until I see the auto button go green. Now I can hit record knowing I'm getting beautiful cinematic motion blur. I hope there was something new here to help you get the most out of Kino. Any questions, I'll respond in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.